Hello everyone, this is A. Pradap, Assistant Professor of English, St. Joseph's College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Cuddalore. Let me discuss the famous short story, Baker's Blue Jay Yarn, written by Mark Twain. Mark Twain's original name was Samuel Longin Clemius. He was born in Florida, Missouri in 1885 and also considered the father of short story and the father of American literature. His famous works are The Adventure of Huckleberry Finn, The Mysterious Stranger, The Adventures of Tom Sawyer, and etc. He died in 1910. He married Olivia Longden, the daughter of prominent Elvia, New York family, is one of Americans' most beloved humorists and storytellers. This story, The Baker's Blue Jay Yarn, describes about the bird blue jay's innocent actions. The author was listening to the action of blue jay sitting in his home with this cat, and that was the time the author was reading the language of birds. The story begins with the blue jay that came opposite to the author's house, and he saw a hole on the roof of the house. He felt to the exterior joy as he found a hole for himself. Then it wanted to have a look how long the hole is. So he drops an acorn which he brings and kept in his ears to hear the sound of the acorn falling. But he was late to listen. Then he brought another acorn and drops to listen the sound. Even now he was late. So he flew and fetched another acorn and dropped it in, but he could not hear the sound. He felt that the hole was too long and very deep. So he plans to fill up the hole with hundreds of acorns, but to his disappointment, he couldn't find even the sign of one acorn. He felt that he never struck a hole like this before and became very tired and sat down with this sadness. Another blue jay passes him. By looking at his sadness, he came near by asking for his reason. He said what happened and how was the newcomer take a turn of look at the hole. Only the darkness filled his eyes, and there arrived many blue jays to look at the hole and search for the acorn. Every blue jay searched at the hook and corner of the houses. One aged blue jay sat at the door of the house, which was slightly opened. He saw inside the house and called for everybody to look at what he had seen. The turning point and also the comedy happened, which was that every acorns dropped by the bird fall inside the house, and the floor of the house was filled with acorns only. By seeing this incident, all the blue jays laughed and enjoyed the funny work done by him. And there came many birds for the vacation to look at this house, had a fun upon it for 3 years. But one owl came and looked for it, and that does not feel happy or fun. He felt what funny days it has and went away. Except an owl, every other birds enjoy their time. The main theme of the short story is dreams and reality, and full setting was woods and mountains of California in a log house. I hope that you have understood this short story. Thank you for listening and watching. Thank you once again.